Welcome back to RS Knitting. Today we are stepping into a beautiful world of handmade creativity, where simple yarn is transformed into something warm, elegant, and truly special. As you move through this collection, you will see many different styles, colors, textures, and beautiful handmade details. And although every setting has its own personality, there is one beautiful feeling connecting them all: the warmth of handmade crochet. There is something incredibly special about handmade work. A simple strand of yarn can become a beautiful piece through patience, imagination, and countless careful stitches. Every loop has a purpose. Every texture tells a story. And every finished piece carries a little part of the creativity of the person who made it. That is what makes handmade crochet so beautiful. It does not have to be complicated to make an impression. Sometimes, the simplest design can create the most beautiful feeling. A soft texture, a gentle color combination, a delicate border, a carefully chosen pattern. These little details can completely change the atmosphere around them. As the scenes change, notice how naturally different colors work together. Some combinations feel soft and peaceful. Others feel rich, warm, and full of character. And some bring a fresh, cheerful energy that immediately catches the eye. This is one of the things we love most about crochet. There are almost endless possibilities. The same basic craft can create completely different moods simply by changing the yarn, the colors, the stitch, or the shape. And that is where creativity really begins. You don't always need a complicated idea. Sometimes, one beautiful texture is enough to inspire an entirely new project. Perhaps you notice a stitch pattern that catches your attention. Maybe it is a combination of colors. Maybe it is the way different handmade details work together. Whatever catches your eye, let it become inspiration for something of your own. Because handmade creativity is not about following every idea exactly. It is about taking inspiration and making it personal. You can change the colors. You can change the size. You can combine different stitches. You can add your own border. You can even take one small detail and turn it into something completely new. That freedom is what makes working with yarn so enjoyable. And there is another beautiful quality in handmade crochet: texture. When you look closely, you can see the tiny loops and carefully formed stitches. You can almost imagine the softness of the yarn between your fingers. Those little details give handmade pieces a warmth that is difficult to recreate with ordinary decorations. They feel personal, they feel thoughtful, and most importantly, they feel made with care. As we continue through this collection, each new scene brings another expression of that creativity. Some designs feel elegant and refined. Some feel cozy and welcoming. Some feel playful and colorful. And others have a calm, natural beauty. But all of them show how handmade details can bring personality into everyday surroundings. You don't need to completely change a space to make it feel different. Sometimes, just a few carefully chosen handmade touches can make a wonderful difference. A beautiful texture can soften a space. A thoughtful color combination can create harmony. A small handmade detail can become the little feature that makes everything feel more personal. And perhaps that is why crochet continues to remain so loved. It connects creativity with everyday life. It allows us to make something beautiful while also making something useful. And when something is made by hand, it becomes more than just an object. It becomes a memory of time spent creating, a reminder of patience. A reminder that beautiful things can come from simple materials and a little imagination. For anyone who enjoys crochet, collections like this can open the door to so many new ideas. Maybe you are looking for inspiration for your next project. Maybe you want to experiment with a new color combination. Maybe you simply enjoy looking at beautiful handmade designs. Whatever brings you here, I hope these ideas give you a moment of inspiration. Look closely at the textures. Notice the small details. Pay attention to how the colors balance each other. And imagine how you could create your own version. There is no need to rush. Crochet itself teaches us something beautiful about patience. One stitch at a time. One row at a time. One small step after another. And eventually, those little steps become something beautiful. That feeling of completing something with your own hands is truly special. It gives ordinary yarn a new meaning. And it gives the finished piece a personality of its own. So as you continue watching, let yourself enjoy the calm beauty of handmade creativity. Let the colors inspire you. Let the textures catch your attention. And let the different ideas encourage you to experiment. Perhaps today's collection will inspire your next favorite project. Maybe you will discover a new combination that you had never thought of before. Or maybe you will simply find a little moment of peace while enjoying these beautiful handmade designs. That is the beauty of creative work. It can inspire us, relax us, and make us feel connected to something simple and meaningful. And no matter how modern a space may be, handmade details always have a way of bringing warmth into it. They remind us that beauty does not always come from expensive things. Sometimes, beauty comes from time, from effort, from patience, and from the love placed into every little stitch. As we reach the final part of this collection, take one more look at the beautiful colors, textures, and handmade details around you. Every scene may be different. Every design may have its own character. But together, they celebrate the same wonderful idea: the beauty of creating something by hand. So take inspiration from what you see. Mix your favorite colors. Experiment with different textures. Try something new. And most importantly, create something that feels like you. Because the most beautiful handmade piece is not necessarily the most complicated one. It is the one that carries your creativity, your patience, your imagination, and your personal touch. Thank you so much for spending these beautiful moments with RS Knitting. I hope this collection has inspired you, relaxed you, and perhaps given you an idea for your next creative project. If you love handmade crochet, beautiful textures, creative colors, and cozy design inspiration, stay connected with RS Knitting for more. Until our next collection, keep your creativity alive. Keep experimenting. Keep creating. And remember, every beautiful creation begins with one simple stitch.
vidIQ.